Today I'm showing you how to turn on this fluorescent tube with my soldering iron, transformer soldering iron, that is connected in series because the ballast here is damaged. We can see the configuration of wires. The positive side of main is connected in series with the transformer inside the primary side of transformer of my soldering iron, and the other path is going to the lamp. The short that is here in the tip of my soldering iron and the lamp that is like a load, it use it as a ballast, because if it were open, it may show not as a resistive load but just a dummy load, but not as inductor. So let's see. It's not turned on because we have not switched on the transformer inside. The lamp can handle 40 watts, but my soldering iron is 100 watt, so it's bigger than my lamp, but it's good. It's getting hot. I smell heat here and something burning, but I'm turning on now. You can see the light. The transformer inside is used as a choke, and the welder is welding. I'm turning off the light because I don't want to explode my tube. So I am thinking that how is it possible that if this acts as a diode, how is it possible that the transformer worked and heated up the tip? Transformer has a primary and a secondary, and so this is not the function of a diode. This is function of a capacitor, which when it gets heated from inside and atoms capacitance is in series with each other, they create a small capacitor path, so a bigger value of capacitance, and it makes to be conductive. But I'm surprisingly surprised why the mercury arc rectifier works fine and this doesn't work as a diode. Maybe something here? Because transformers doesn't work in DC. It can get as a choked, but when it ended up with the bulb, with the tube inside. How is it possible? Have a nice day.